guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am getting ready to go bowling with some friends, and I decided to turn on the camera and film while I got ready. I haven't really gotten out in a really long time. I am more of like a homebody when it comes to nighttime. I'm not like about the whole night scene. I'm sleeping by 10 o'clock. So I'm going bowling with some girls, and I'm pretty excited to just hang out and do something different than what I normally do. I'm always working on a Friday night, and I requested today off. So I am so excited to be free tonight and just like do something fun. And yeah, that is why I turned on the camera and just decided to get ready because I got ready more than I normally would. So this is the look I decided to go with. I am wearing a black cardigan with like this black and white jumper. It is like long pants like this. So I wanted to do something a little bit like pop out on my eyes. So this is what I came up with, and I really hope you guys enjoy. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So to moisturize my face, I'm going to start off with the Dr. Jart Water Drop Hydrating Moisturizer. My skin is so dry. Hello.
What the hell?
I'm filming a video. What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm driving.
Let me do my makeup real quick and I'll call you back. Bye. Okay, so to prime my skin, I'm gonna actually use this Bare Minerals Prime Time Primer. I haven't used this in a really long time. So I'll go ahead and just prime my skin. Next, I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and this is in the color 103 Natural Buff. Been liking it a lot. So I kind of just put about this much on my beauty blender, and my beauty blender is damp. And just go ahead and apply this all over my skin. So one of my best friends gave birth yesterday, and I went today to the hospital to meet him. So he is so adorable. I love him so much. I don't care, he's my nephew. I'm gonna consider him my nephew for like my entire life. I tell her, I'm like, that's my son. I don't care what you say. You have no say in your child's life. He is mine. I love them so much, like if they were family. So their son is my child. But he is so cute and tiny. He has like a little gentle cry. So I absolutely love him. He is a cutie. It's going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the color Light Sand. Just like draw a little cactus looking thing here. Go down the bridge of my nose. Draw some survivor lines on my face. Just go around my chin a little bit. You know, whatever I feel like doing, I do it. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Whatever works for you. Everyone has their own techniques, and I have realized that, you know, what works for me will not work for you all the time, and that's okay. I'm just here to share what works for me, and if it doesn't work for you, it doesn't mean that I'm wrong and you're right, or you're right and I'm wrong. It just means that we're all different human beings, and this is like art. So this is my canvas, and I paint my canvas the way that I like, and you will paint yours the way that you like, and that's okay. What I'm gonna do next is go in with my ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder in the translucent shade, and I'm gonna dab some of this product. It is very messy. I don't enjoy this. Kind of dab a little bit of product on the cap of my packaging, and with the damp beauty blender, I'll just go ahead and dip that there, the same one I use for foundation. So I'm gonna go in with this Winky Lux palette. This is from a BoxyCharm collaboration, and yeah, I'm gonna just use this because I never have before. I'm gonna go ahead and begin with this color right here, which is called Duchess, and I'm gonna put that color all over my lid. I'm gonna go ahead and begin with this shade right here called Strut, and I'm gonna put this color all over my crease. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this color on my crease, and this is called Chest Higher. Then I'm going to go in with this holographic color right here. It's called holographic, and put that all over my lid. I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus, and I'm just going to pack this on right in the center of my lid. I'm going to go back in with the purple shade and just kind of pack it on towards the end. And I've always wanted to do like this whole snapping and my brows come on thing, so I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. My brows are on. You like what I did there? So I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs Fantastic Bronzer, and I can't show you because it is completely shattered, but I've used it in pretty much every video, so you don't need to see it again. What bronzer do I want to use? This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the color Classic. Go ahead and put this on the apples of my cheeks. I love blush. When people say they don't like blush, I'm like, what? Blush like ties your entire look together. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish my under eye. So I'm gonna take the same colors that I used in my crease and go ahead and put that on the under eye area. I'm just going ahead and blending my crease. For any excess product, or you know, while I'm like moving around, I just kind of want to diffuse this a little bit. It's not as blended as I would like, but for being this brand, I've never heard of it before, Winky Lux, but I have seen it in the store Riley Rose. It's not too bad. The color payoff is pretty good. I just feel like it's not blending too well here in this area, but you know what? Makeup isn't always perfect, so we're just gonna roll with it because I have been trying to blend that thing for like 20 minutes and it's just not happening. So we're gonna move along and get things rolling here because I am about to be late if I don't hurry up. I'm gonna go in with the Ardell Demi Wispies, and you know, these are just classic. I'm gonna go in with the Duo Lash Adhesive with Vitamins. This is the green one, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lashes and let that just kind of get tacky. So about this much. And while that is getting tacky, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte's mascara and go ahead and just add a layer on my lashes. That's it for a little. So I feel like my lashes got pretty tacky, so I'm gonna go in with a Pinza, how do you say that in English? Pinza. I don't know, this thing, the thing for your eyebrows, and place this. What I do is just insert the pinza about halfway just to get a good grip, and I'm gonna place it right in the middle of my line. Slowly let go and start to just press down. If you need to like drag them out a little bit, you can. And what I usually do is just like run one layer of mascara through the lashes. You don't have to, but I just like to ensure that they're gonna mix in with my real lashes. And I'm gonna go in with that same Tarte mascara and do my lower lashes. And now I'm gonna go ahead and spray some MAC Fix Plus on my face to just kind of set in all the powders that I used. Put some highlight on my inner corners. I'm just gonna mix these two highlighting colors. And for lips, I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip liner in the color Pale Pink. I'm gonna go in with this gloss. It is called Guilty Pleasure. This is a miniature gloss. I don't even know what brand this is. It's called Starlux. I think this is from when I used to have Ipsy. Okay guys, and that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Sandwich and a $5 fill up at KFC today. KFC, finger licking good.
Whatever. That doesn't look too good, but just take a picture. Look at his little face. Oh, I love him. Crap, I'm late. All my fault, because if I didn't have hooded lids, this wouldn't transfer.